Hello students, today's lesson is the calculator. Take your textbook second part and go to page number 12. When you read this page, you can know the history of the calculator. There are two types of calculators. Now you can see the two types of calculator. This is the ordinary calculator. This is the scientific calculator. Ordinary calculators can perform normal mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and finding the square root of a number. Scientific calculators can perform normal mathematical operations as well as finding the powers of a number. Let's see the functions of the scientific calculator. You had better bring the calculator now. If you don't have a calculator, it's okay. Turn page number 13 of your textbook and follow me. This key is used to turn on the calculator. This is turn off the calculator. These are the keys of the normal mathematical operations. This key is used to take the answer. Then this one we can use to find the square root of a number. This key is used to finding the percentage of a number. This key is used to find the powers of a number. I know that you can't see the keys properly in my video, so let me draw the signs here. Finding square root, finding the power of a number, finding the percentage, finding the answer. Mathematical problems can easily be solved using the scientific calculator, but it's very important to remember that all the operations must be done according to the BODMAS rule. And I have seen most of the students do this mistake. So can you remember the BODMAS theory? Now I am going to remind that B brackets, O of, D division, M represent multiplication, A and S represent addition and subtraction. And also there is one more important key that you should learn. Now see this calculator. Can you see there is a key in the left hand side corner as shift. This key is used to activate some keys. As example, percentage. Now see the screen of the calculator. Press the key shift and press the key percentage. Then we can take the percentage symbol. Let's do some calculations using the percentage key in the scientific calculator. Now go to page number 16 and see the exercise 11.2. Take the first question. Find 3% of 350. The keys of the calculator need to be pressed in the following order to find 3% of 350. First on the calculator and 350 multiply by 3 and next press the key shift and the percentage sign. Then to take the answer, press equal sign. Then you can see the answer in the screen as 10.5. Let's do another question. Now convert fraction as a percentage. Then see the first question of second same in the same exercise. 1 over 5 convert as a percentage. Then these are the keys of the calculator need to be pressed in the following order to find to convert 1 over 5 as a percentage. Then first on the calculator 1 divide by 5 and press the key shift and percentage sign. Then to take the answer, press the equal sign. Then you can see the answer in the screen as 20. Let's do some calculation using the square key. Now go to page number 18 and see the exercise 11.3. Find the square of 8. The order in which the keys need to be pressed to find this answer. First on the calculator, after 8, and press the square key. Then take the answer using equal sign. Then you can see the answer as 64 in the screen. After we will find the square of 6.03. First on the calculator. Now press 6.03 in the screen and press square key and take the answer using equal sign. Then you can see the answer as 36.3603 in the screen. Let's do some calculation using the square root key. Go to page number 19 and see the exercise 11.4. We will find the square root of 2704 using the calculator. Then first on the calculator and press the key square root sign. After press the number 2704 and press the equal sign. Then you can see the answer as 52. Okay children, I hope you got some idea about today's lesson from this video. You have to go through the given worksheet and please do all the exercises given in your textbook, and thank you very much for listening. So let's meet from our next lesson.